Welcome to the Nomad Love and Community Podcast, Episode 12. I'm Sophia Chen with James Mitchell. Today, we're tackling the laundry day ladder so you can build stronger relationships and community while living the nomad life. Small daily habits create magnetic presence. Over the next 9 minutes, we'll walk a simple system you can use this week. And yes, it starts with your laundry bag. Picture this. You're folding a sweater on a narrow bench. The room smells faintly of detergent, the machines hum, and everyone else is in their own bubble. That slow motion feeling of folding clothes alone, it's exactly where social currency is being wasted. That bench can become a meeting point, a tiny ritual that attracts the same people each week, if you treat it like a repeatable habit rather than a one-off chore. I folded more than a few friendships out of that bench, and it started with being intentionally present instead of just passing time.
Here's the map. 3 practical moves. A habit you use to show up consistently, an appearance anchor that boosts approachability in minutes, and a communication loop that naturally turns small talk into plans. After this episode, you'll have an exact arrival routine, a 2-option grooming kit, 3 short scripts to test, and a 7-day checklist you can run this week. Presence beats perfection. We'll keep it simple and repeatable.
Let's start with habit, the laundry ritual. This is a 5-step arrival routine you can do every time. Step 1, choose a predictable slot. Same day, same hour, so people start to recognize you. Step 2, a 5-minute warm-up right before you walk in. 30 seconds of breathing, a quick hydration, and 2 shoulder rolls to carry better energy. Step 3, arrive with a clear small task. Pre-sort, start a load, or set a timer on your phone. Step 4, bring a low-key anchor item, like a paperback or a simple notebook, that signals you're open to light conversation. Step 5, schedule your next visit on the way out, either in your head or with someone you met. These micro-actions tell your nervous system and everyone else you'll be back, and that predictability creates trust.
Energy habit stacking matters because approachability is mostly about energy, not perfection. Quick, practical stack. 5 minutes pre-arrival. Sip water, a 60-second posture reset, and a 2-minute brisk walk to raise your energy. If you're short on time, do the 30-second version. Sip, stand tall, 5 deep breaths. Make the slot repeatable, Tuesday mornings or Sunday afternoons, and treat it like a standing appointment. You'll see the same faces, and that's the ladder you climb to turn strangers into crew. Now, appearance. The 3-minute anchor kit and a 30-second fast option. The kit, a compact lint roller or small brush, a travel-size scent spray, light, not overpowering, a clean pair of sneakers or slip-ons, and a linen pressing wipe or quick shirt smooth. Before you sit, check shoes, smooth fabric, and reset posture, shoulders back, chin level. The 30-second version is tidy shoes, quick wipe on the collar, and 1 breath of your scent anchor. These are not vanity moves. They're energy anchors that make you look cared for and easier to approach. Build this into your 5-minute warm-up so it becomes automatic.
Communication frameworks now. 3 low-pressure openers you can use in any laundromat or shared chore space. First, the observation opener. Notice something real and neutral. Those machines always take forever, don't they? Or, that color mix looks like a mystery box. It's safe and relatable. Second, the shared gear offer. Give a small practical assist. I have a lint roller if you want it. Or, want me to watch the load while you grab a coffee? Third, the micro value exchange. Offer a tiny, helpful piece of info. If you're here on Sundays, the machines run faster around noon. Each opener is paired with a deep listening follow-up. Ask 1 short curiosity question, then mirror back what they say. Example, oh, you're staying here for a month? What brought you to this city? Mirror and reflect. That sounds like a big move. How's the transition going? The escalation plan is observe, assist, invite. Start light, offer help, then invite to a low-commitment next step. Coffee for 20 minutes, a shared walk, or swapping local tips. Keep timing in mind. If you meet during the spin cycle, invite to coffee the same day. If you meet on a weekday, suggest meeting during your next scheduled slot. Concrete language works best. I'm grabbing coffee in 20. Would you like to join? No pressure.
Let's role-play a mixed-gender approach so you can hear exact lines and pacing. I'll be the person waiting on a dryer. You approach. Keep it casual, friendly, and brief.
Okay, I walk up with my tote, smile, and say, "Hey, is this the magic dryer that actually gets everything soft?" That's an observation opener with a light joke. If you smile back, follow with the shared gear offer. "I brought a little fabric spray if you want to try it." Wait for the response, then ask one curiosity question. Are you here long-term or just passing through? If the answer is long-term, convert. I come here every Saturday morning at 10. Want to grab a coffee after your cycle next week?
From there, set a low commitment plan and a brief follow-up. If they agree, confirm with a simple text the same day. Great meeting you at the Laundromat. Coffee Saturday 10 at Cafe Verde? James. If they can't meet then, suggest the next slot. No worries, how about the same time next week? 3-day follow-up plan. Day 0, immediate confirm text. Day 2, friendly check-in if needed. Day 3, final quick reminder or an offer to swap numbers. Keep it short and value-driven. Remind them why it's worth their time.
Now the Laundry Ladder's 7-day checklist. 1 week to test the system. Day 1, pick your repeatable slot and set a calendar block. Day 2, pack your kit. Lint roller, scent, notebook, tiny cache. Day 3, show up and use an observation opener. Day 4, practice the 5-minute warm-up and the 30-second grooming reset. Day 5, offer the shared gear assist once and try the micro-value exchange once. Day 6, if you met someone, send the Day 0 confirm text. Day 7, schedule your next laundromat slot publicly. Pin it in a local group or tell someone in your new circle. Immediate first action this week. Open your calendar, block a 45 60-minute slot for laundry once this week, and set a reminder to do the 5-minute warm-up before you leave your place. That's it. Small and repeatable.
A quick note on adapting if laundromats are scarce. Run the ritual at hostel kitchen hours, a co-working coffee break, or a shared co-living chore slot. The stack, predictability, tiny grooming boosts, and low-pressure scripts transfers anywhere people do predictable, repeatable tasks.
If you want templates, follow-up texts, and a printable checklist to run the Laundry Ladder this week, check out our 7-day Laundry Ladder mini course. It includes plug-and-play scripts, role-play audio, and a downloadable checklist to keep on your phone. Sign up today and get the templates you can use immediately. Remember, you attract what you become. Show up consistently, look cared for, and ask with curiosity. Optimize yourself, connect deeper, live freer. That's our practical advice for today. Building strong connections is part of building a successful nomad life. Thanks for listening. I'm Sophia Chen.
And I'm James Mitchell. Build the habit, become the man or the person who shows up. We'll be back with more small systems that create real community. See you at the bench.